We are now talking to our cover page boy, Anish Singh. Where are you? All right, Anish, over to you now. Anish is a global achiever from Kodar World School, and we are all set to listen to everything from you, Anish. Anish, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right, Anish, before you start, I have a message for you. You'll have to
Yes, ma'am.
wait for a second. All right, can you play the
Good evening,
message?
everyone. I'm so sorry that I could not be there for such a great occasion today, but I would like to extend a heartfelt congratulations to dear Anish for performing remarkably well at such a young age. It's really very proud to know that our dear Anish is there on the cover page of this magazine, and without doubt he has always been a very balanced, focused, hardworking and goal oriented person. But what makes him stand out is the attitude with which he holds on to his roots while scaling new heights and setting new standards. His humbleness continues to inspire and motivate his friends and juniors also, who look upon him not just for his achievements but also for the kind of person he is. With every success story, he makes us all beam with pride. May every step with your hard work bring new rewards for you, Anish, and you continue to shine. Congratulations once again. So proud of you, my dear boy. I'm so proud of you.
Anish, start, please.
Okay, so first of all, it was a great pleasure being a part of this launch, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity, ma'am. And now, moving on to the main thing, is that when you look around yourself, you will observe, yeah, if you are a very good observer, you will observe that everything from the smallest seashell of a barnacle to the uh, to our own galaxy, the Milky Way, will show some sort of a geometric symmetry. Nowadays, children like
Yeah.
to party, and the main thing while they're partying is that they like the dance and the songs and all that, mixing of sounds, the beat. And if one would just look at the beauty of that process of mixing the sounds. What are those sounds? Those sounds are nothing but simple yet beautiful curves of sine and the cosine functions. And when they overlap and interact with each other, they form various and very melodious beats. This beauty is what makes math more beautiful and enjoyable. The main thing is that most children, and to some extent many parents, they perceive maths as just a subject of consisting of a wide array of numbers, and all they have to do is just solve problems and score marks. And this is the main reason which creates the phobia for maths in children. They hate maths because all they have to do is just score marks. They have to understand it for scoring marks. But if one would just uh, throw aside the thought of scoring marks and just understand it for the sake of fun, for the sake of learning, to appreciate its beauty, they would really fall in love with it. So the main tip which I give to my friends and everyone present over here who have a phobia of maths is that observe its beauty, find maths around you in the nature, and just enjoy the journey of learning it for the sake of fun rather than just scoring grades or marks. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Anish. No wonder you are the global achiever. Artist, congratulations for what you're doing. We're really, really proud of you.